welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a everyday makeup look for you guys, and this is just a look that I wear when I'm going to a doctor's office or going to school or work. This is just super easy to put on. It doesn't take a long time, and you don't need any experience or anything like that at all. You don't need to be amazing at makeup. It's just a super basic look. I used only one eyeshadow and I paired that with a glossy lip, and I really been loving glossy lips. I feel like the glossy lip makes you look like you're trying more than you are because it's super easy to put on. You just put on a lipstick and a lip gloss. So if you want to see my everyday makeup routine, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with this Bath & Body Works cream and then rub that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my new favorite primer, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and just spray that all over my face. My new everyday foundation recently has been my Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. So you guys are about to see I went to put foundation on my face and I missed. I don't know how I ended up missing my face, but now I'm just dotting it all over my face and blending it in with my damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shapetape concealer, and I love this concealer. I don't think I'm ever going to use another concealer unless something better than this comes out. As you guys can see, the concealer just blends in flawlessly to the skin. I'm going in with the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I know this is a bit pricey for everyday, but I feel like the ones I've tried so far, like the airspun one, are a little bit chalky on the skin and don't leave such an airbrush finish as this one. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer, and I'm just going to fill in my brows, and I feel like this is the easiest to do every single day. Just take the pencil and you can take it on the go with you, which is really great. Sometimes I take it to work with me and just quickly fill in my brows if I'm running late. Now I'm just cleaning out my brows, and all the product descriptions will be down in the description box below. Next, I'm going in with my MAC Blot Press Powder and just gonna apply that all over my face. Now I'm taking my favorite everyday bronzer, the Too Faced bronzer, and gonna just make my face come back to life. Now I'm going to define my contour with the translucent setting powder. Now I'm taking one of my favorite drugstore blushes and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going in with my favorite everyday eyeshadow palette, the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange and just put that in my crease. As you can see, the shade just gives the crease a little depth. Now I'm taking my everyday mascara, the Maybelline Rocket Mascara, and just gonna coat my lashes with that. Now I'm going to take this beautiful drugstore highlighter and highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. These products I'm using to create this lip have been my recent everyday lip combo, and I love it, and the products will be listed in the description box down below. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it's a super easy, quick, everyday makeup routine. It could take literally 15 minutes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. And comment below if you guys use any of these products in your everyday makeup routine.